Beccaboo here. Welcome to my channel. This feels so weird right now. I feel like I haven't filmed in actually like 3 weeks. It's crazy. So thanks for sticking around. Today I filmed the look I wore on Mother's Day. I actually only posted it just a couple of days on Instagram. A couple of days ago on Instagram. But I really wanted to film it because I really like the way that it turned out. It's very simple. And it just like makes a major impact, I think, because it's like purpley periwinkle. And I popped on these nails because I thought they would look so nice with it. And they definitely do. Marmalade crystallized style. So cute. So if you'd like to see how I got this eye look, then please keep on watching. Alright, to start off this look, I'm taking the KIKO MILANO eyeshadow stick in the shade 31. This is so pretty. I'm obsessed with this color. I actually bought this when I was over in England. Okay, so anyway, placing that in the crease and outer V of my eye. And then I'm just blending that out so there's no harsh edges. So then when I got back from England, I saw that I had pretty much the exact same shade in this stick. This is from NYX. This is the Full Throttle Shadow Stick, which is, I think, discontinued. Alright, so it's just a little bit darker than the previous one, so I placed it in the outer corner and then blended it out. Then I'm taking my favorite transition shade ever from ColourPop. This is Secrets, on a SUVA Beauty Fluffy Shadow Brush, and I'm just placing that all in the outer upper crease area. Then I'm taking Carnival from Makeup Geek, and I'm focusing that on the crease. So this is like my actual transition shade. I just really love how this shadow gives the look sort of like a glow. Next, I'm taking SUVA Beauty's Market eyeshadow, and I'm taking that on it's like a MAC 217, but this one is from Cosmetics. Placing that in the outer V of my eye and in my crease, and then going back and blending. Next, I'm taking ColourPop's On the Fence eyeshadow, and I'm placing this in the inner third of my lid. And then I'm taking Makeup Geek's Blacklight shadow, and I'm placing this in the center of my eyelid. Then I'm taking Kat Von D's Roxy lip liner pencil, and I'm going to be drawing this all along my lash line. Then I'm just smudging that out with a pencil brush. And then I'm taking SUGARPILL's Poison Plum shadow, and I'm further going over that line to kind of smoke and smudge that out. Alright, so I'm taking the KIKO eyeshadow stick again, and I am placing this in my waterline and along my lower lash line. And then smudging that out. Then I'm just taking one of the brushes with more of Market and just bringing down that shadow onto the outer corner of the eye. Now I'm taking Makeup Geek's Blacklight shadow again, and I'm placing this on the inner third of my lower lash line, and then taking ColourPop's On the Fence and highlighting the inner corner of my eye. And the star of the show, I'm taking the Eye Envy by Kiss Chic Icon lashes. That was a handful to say. And this is the finished eye look. Alright guys, so this is the completed look. On my lips, I'm wearing the KARITY Keira liquid lipstick with the Wet n Wild Fly Gal gloss over top. I really like this combo. I think it's the 3rd time I've worn it, so that's a good sign. I threw on the Dream Glow Kit today. Well, in combination with the Wet n Wild baked blushes, which these have a ton of shimmer in it, and I never really liked shimmer blushes before, but I love these. I mixed these together for my blush today. I used Don't Flutter Yourself and Hummingbird Hype. Really like these. I think that you guys definitely need to pick these up. They're so pretty. From Dream, it's so pretty. I used Unicorn for my highlight. up here. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. Thanks for sticking around. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. If you are subscribed, don't forget to click the bell, because apparently there's so much drama going on YouTube right now. Like, videos aren't being shown to people. So yeah, just make sure you like the video, subscribe, and click the bell so you know when my videos go up. Alright, and I will see you on my next video. Bye guys.